Have you ever walked into a room and felt smaller without anyone saying a word? Most people never realize this, but mental strength isn't about being loud. It's about the kind of silence that makes people pause. The kind that quietly says, "I don't need your approval." Control your response, not the situation. You can't control what people say. You can't stop them from judging, leaving, or misunderstanding you. But your real power is not reacting emotionally to every little storm. Imagine someone insults you. Most people snap back. But the strong ones, they stay still. They see it for what it is, a projection. And here's where it gets real. Mental strength is not avoiding conflict. It's facing chaos without losing yourself. 2. Be disliked without losing sleep. You're not weak for wanting to be liked. That's human. But you become weak when your peace depends on other people's opinions. People will judge you for being quiet, then judge you for being too loud. They'll question your success, then mock your struggle. But the person who quietly says, "I'm not here to impress you," that person scares people because they can't be controlled. Most people get this wrong. They think being liked is power. But real power is being unshakable when you're not. 3. Create routines that are ruthless. You don't build a strong mind by doing what feels good. You build it by doing what's necessary, even when it's boring. Waking up early, moving your body, protecting your attention like it's your last currency. Not scrolling, not chasing validation, but choosing your thoughts ruthlessly. But what if I told you that people fear consistency because they don't have it? And when you do, they won't understand you. And that's exactly why it works. 4. Let go without losing your identity. They'll say you've changed, and you have. You've stopped tolerating chaos. You've stopped explaining your value. When you build a strong mind, you stop negotiating your worth in rooms you've outgrown. You walk away, quietly, without bitterness. And that calm, confident exit? It's terrifying to the ones who never expected you to find your strength. So let me ask you this. Which part of this hit you the hardest? Have you ever had to walk away from something that no longer served your peace? Drop your answer below. Your story might help someone else find their voice too. If this made you see mental strength differently, if you felt even one part of this in your chest, then imagine what's ahead when you truly start understanding your own mind. Subscribe to Brain Ripple and grow with us.